let's look at this question. Now, the question is saying that what is the equilibrium constant in the reaction? Now, when we are looking at equilibrium constant, we are looking at the mathematical expression that illustrate the activities of reactant and product in a chemical equation. All right. So, and also just know that when you are looking at equilibrium constant, that is Kc, one thing that you should take note is we have the gas and aqueous solution, not solid and liquid, because in a chemical equation we have a solid, liquid, and gas, or in a aqueous solution. A substance can be in a solid state, a substance can be in a liquid state, a substance can be in a gaseous state, and a substance can also be in a aqueous state. So in this case now, we have this substance, this ammonia is in a gaseous state, this oxygen is in a gaseous state, we have nitrogen oxide is in a gaseous state, and we have water here is also in a gaseous state. When you are looking at it now, these things are taken into consideration. Now, you only express equilibrium constant in a gaseous state. Is that understood? In a gaseous state, don't express equilibrium constant in a liquid or a solid state, because a liquid and solid state does not affect the concentration of an equilibrium. All right, according to Le Chatelain principle, say that there are key factors that affect chemical equilibrium. We have concentration, we have temperature, and we have pressure. All right, so these are the three things that affect a chemical equilibrium. So when gases affect a chemical equilibrium, not solid only affect the surface area, not the concentration. So now let's write the equilibrium. We are asked to write the equilibrium constant of this equation. Now, equilibrium constant is product divided by reactant, and what you are going to consider is the substance must be in a gaseous form. All right, so now let's work out. We have this is a gaseous form. We have Kc is equals to, what you are seeing here is what? Nitrogen oxide will come first, NO. This is what you multiply by what? Water. You divide by this one, ammonia. A product of what? Oxygen. Now, the number of moles, as you can see, these moles here are undermined. So the number of moles, you use it what? You raise it to power. All right, you do exponents, right? We have the first one here is what? The mole ratio here is what? 4. So raised to power what? Exponent 4. Do you get that? This one is what? 6. Exponent 6. Do you get that? We have also this one. We have ammonia here is what? 4. We have what? 4 here. 4 here. And here is what? 5. This is 5. This is a typical equilibrium constant. If you are asked to write equilibrium constant of a particular substance, this is how to express it. If there is nothing here, you leave it. For instance, if we have oxygen here, we could have one, leave it like this. If there is mole here, which is 5, you have to what? Raise this one. Just take note that it is only gases that are what? Affected, not solid or liquid. If that this one is L here, let's just say this one is L, would have just leave it like this, would have just been like this, divide by this one, finish. Is that understood? But since it is in a gaseous form, you have to what? Express it in this way. All right, so for more of this video, just subscribe to Ojemai YouTube channel, or you can as well follow us on Facebook on Ojemai Online Chemistry. Do well to like this video, share, and comment. Thank you.